Welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to enable the useful camera flash notification feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Camera flash notification is a handy option that allows you to receive visual notifications when you receive a message, call, or other notification, even when the sound is off or the phone is on silent mode. In the following, I will explain in detail how to find and enable this option on your Samsung Galaxy device. So, stay tuned until the end of this video. So, the first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the accessibility option, then tap on it. After that, select the Advanced Settings option. Once you've done that, now in the Notifications section, select the Flash Notifications option. The next thing you need to do is to touch the switch next to the Camera Flash Notification option to enable it, and then tap on the option. Now, if you don't want to receive flash notifications from all apps, touch the switch next to the All Apps option. After that, you can select the apps from which you want to receive flash notifications. And that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and of course, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay well and see you in the next video.